Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to fix a door handle. My door handle is got broken. You see here, it's normally it look like this, but here another door handle in my toilet. You see here, look. So what happened is the spring inside the door handle actually broken, so I need to remove it and then I'm gonna fix it. And here you are, certain tools you need. First of all, screwdriver is the one you need. Here you are. Second one I call is ring plier. So what ring pliers they do, they try to open the ring and then remove it out, and you will see it. And of course the important part, which you call is handle door springs. You need that. So one from outside, that is outside, and one spring for inside. So let's see. Take it out. Here, 4 of them. Make sure you put somewhere safe. Don't stand on it. And see that here. Remove it. It's like this. What happened is, you see that here, the door handle and the frame, they locked it by the ring. You need to open the ring here, and enable to remove the ring here, you need to call a ring plier. So what happened is, the ring plier, when you grab it, the top try to open it out. Try to expand it out, so the ring will expand and remove out nicely. Here we are. I'm gonna do it now. And before you buy it, make sure double check the door handle spring. Has to be certain standard. This one is 2.5 turns. So count 1 turn, 2 turn, and half the turn. So 2.5 turn. So depend on the door, and you know, it's not always the same. And the thickness is about 2.5 millimeter. So make sure you get the right one. So what I do is, I take off the ring, which is the pin it down here. Make sure do not break it, okay? Otherwise, you have to buy new ring in there. So what you do is, you see that is a 2 pin point here in the ring. Put the plier head in there. I did. Like this, and then you press it, so make sure the ring will open it out for you. Yeah, I have to put it down to do it. So I have a ring like this. You see that? The plier, try to expand them out. So when you press it, they try to expand the ring out and remove it out. So when you remove it out, the door handle, like this, you're gonna take it out easily. That could lock. So when it locks, is the handle by the back, you raise certain standard, they not go over up. Okay, just stand here. So literally, that's done. It happened like this. Put it inside. Here you are, like this. And what you do next? Put a handle spring in there. This one here. You leave the handle up like this, so the door look like this to you guys. So leave it that place first. You see that its spring will fit inside nicely. Yeah, the hook is on the top, and the bottom is to the edge of the handle door. I do next, you're gonna rotate this 180 degree this way. That's it. And then you will see that is a space to lock the handle door, so it doesn't turn anymore. So done. So it's like this. So when I rotate it, it will locked, so I cannot move down any more further. Otherwise you're gonna rotate that 360 degree. So that's how it's worked. And after it's done now, all you need to do, put the ring, called is ring lock. So what happened is I press the plier and open the ring, and then will fit inside the door handle nicely. Okay, and that's done. That's it. I'm done now. It's worked perfectly. So I'm gonna do next one is the one on other side, and I'm done. Okay, here you are. Perfect. Easy. You don't need to over tighten them. It's just right enough force, and it'll be fine. Perfect. Nice. Nicely. I fixed it. Okay. So on other side will be exactly the same thing. Save yourself some money and learn how to fix the house sometime. Right. Alright guys. See you next video. Bye bye.